Guys, welcome back to another episode of Dub Monkey Garage. In today's episode, myself and Evan are doing a quick service on MX5 drift car. So stay with us, and we're gonna take you step by step what you have to do, what you have to look out for, so you can do the same thing, from the comfort of your own garage. Yeah, the stands are on each side, giving us a little bit of security, safety. And now we're just gonna try to find.
Not that fast it is.
Yeah, I'd say it's usually about 17 maybe. A bit bigger.
Maybe.
Yeah. We were looking there and it's literally right there. See that one? That bulb right there. So yeah, it should be easy enough to do it. Make sure supply yourself one of these bolts, so you can drain the oil somewhere.
18 probably. It's too far out for me to get. That's bigger than 18.
What are we on now? 18?
19.
19. And is that okay?
That's perfect.
Yeah, that's fine. So just so if you want to break the nut, it's number 19 you're looking at.
Okay. Just being wary because the fucking thing is hot.
Oh, and we have let it rain, let it rain,
And
let it rain.
we didn't drop the nut.
Yeah, keeping that nut in. There you go,
We
guys.
didn't drop it.
We didn't drop the nut.
That's the skills right there.
Wow, she's pissing alright. And it looks pretty black to me, God knows when the last time the service on that car was done. So, guys, just so you know, this is the first service
That we've done for.
that we've done to her, so God knows what's happened to the car before. When the engine oil was actually changed last time. But yeah, this is what you got to do next. So that's step number 2: drain the oil.
And then get up and take the top off of it. Top cap off.
Oh yeah, make sure you take the top.
That better. There you go. Take that off.
Also, the other very good tip, for all of you there, is make sure to run the car for a couple of minutes to make the oil a little bit warmer. Once the oil heats up, it allows it to drain a little bit quicker. Yeah.
Especially if it's a little bit thick.
Yeah.
Come back in properly.
So yeah, that's the crack. Well, it's like I said, guys, it's pretty straightforward. You don't have to go to your local mechanic or to the garage to do this. It literally takes a few minutes and it saves you a fortune, because all you gotta do, you gotta just buy yourself oil filter,
handy as well.
and you can actually do that yourself, and if you have a comfort of your own garage at home that you can do that, guys.
Or even just outside your house.
Yeah, it's no brainer. You gotta do it. You gotta do it.
Some stickers.
And get some stickers. Sticker is the real deal, It's actually not messing it up.
That's 10 ponies.
Yeah, sticker, it's 10 ponies. 10 ponies.
Old ponies.
Jesus, naturally aspirated, you can't beat it. What's happening now? Myself and Evan are just waiting, for this oil to drain. Is it done?
Yeah.
Well, that's class.
Yeah, the MX5 only has like 40%. It's really low, so it's fine.
Oh, that's very good.
I just cleaned up the number before.
So yeah, that's a quick service, it's, I don't know, like we on it for the last, maybe 10 minutes, overall to actually do the job. I'd say you can have it all done within 30 to 45 minutes, which is fast enough, and you can just, the great thing is you can do it yourself. Guys, there is now, we have all oil drained out, and Evan, what are you doing there? Can you take us through?
So I'm going to put the bulb back inside the sump,
Right.
and there's this thing here. So we didn't get another crush washer. So you want to put this back on from the old one.
Okay.
Basically, it just makes a tight seal and make sure that she's not a leaky bitch.
Right.
Yeah.
Because we hate leaky bitch,
Yeah.
we just, no one wants a car to be a leaky bitch.
And then when you're putting it on, put it on nice and tight.
Yeah, it has to be tight.
As you know, in this garage.
Till the nuts fall off, yeah.
If it ain't tight, it ain't right in this garage.
Yeah, if in time they ain't right, we know this.
Woo!
Yee-hoo! Getting the nut in.
oil is very hot. You know, it's just annoying me because the actual fucking ratchet itself
Right.
is too big for under here.
So yeah, we putting the bolt back on.
It'd be great if there we go.
Yeah.
Don't over tighten it as well. Just snug. There we go. We don't have a torque wrench, so nice and snug will just do the job.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do it one more time. She's nice and tight. Yes.
Here we are. Okay, so that part is done.
Do you want to show our dirty the heat off that bucket?
The dirty oil, it's out. Here we go. The oil is out. I'm gonna leave that onto the side for now. And what's next?
Let's get the fresh oil in.
Let's get the fresh oil in. What are we running?
We're running some Castrol Magnatech 5W30. Mixgarage.com.
Mix Garage, yeah. If you want some good stuff, go to the Mix. Mix has a lot of good stuff there. You need a nail? Hold on, I got a good nail.
Jeez, that's a big bastard. That is.
It's called Eagle nail.
It's called Corona nail.
Corona nail. Evan surprised me today, you know. I was hoping the job was going to be finishing now on the oil, but no, we are actually going to do the full engine rebuild. We're changing the...
This has to be mixed.
So are we changing it or not?
We should, yeah. Fresh coolant to be nice.
What's going on?
Just realised.
What did you realise?
We didn't change our filter.
Oh, fuck. That's priceless.
Hey, you didn't say that neither.
Oh man.
Fuck.
Shit.
I don't even know where the fucking filter is. Let's have a look.
You won't believe it, right? We were actually going to skip the coolant part, and until we actually realised that there is no coolant in the car at all, and I don't know how the hell did that happen.
I'll get the light on it.
But check this out, right?
There's
There's nothing in it.
Right, and then look at
Nothing.
the inside. It's bone dry and brown. Dry and brown.
Back from the 80s, there is nothing in it.
Fucking
I don't know, like what the hell?
And then the rad has some in it, but it's pure black, like.
Yeah, it needs a change.
Yeah.
It needs a change.
So we were trying to be lazy, but it doesn't work.
It's not gonna happen. Jeez, I could not believe it. Like, thank God. You see, so make sure before you do any skiddies, any burnouts, you know, if you want to bring the car to the track, you gotta fucking check that thing out, because you'd blow the engine. Literally, you know, you'll be goodbye, you know, to MX5 engine. That's not bad.
But
That sounds easy enough.
never say that. never say that again.
It sounds.
That's disgusting. Have a look inside this. I can't.
You're up. Look at that. Looks like fucking. Looks like a nail apple juice or something. Right, guys, we're gonna go swimming. And look at that.
Drink a bit of it. No, don't. It's like toxic shit.
Gives a straw there. It's a bit of straw. It's nice and warm. It feels like a bubble bath. Oh, hey! I get it. No, I get it. Woo. No, Evan, it's actually nice. You'd like that.
Hold on, I'll get in.
Yeah, that's it. Jump in there. Actually, guys, does that the color of the coolant should it look like it? Should it be like that? No, guys. You know what? Give us drop us a comment below. You know, if you think that should be the color, and if it shouldn't be that kind of color, tell us more likely when the last time the coolant was changed, because we wonder. I'd love to know how old is this fucking coolant in the car. I'd say it's 10 years old.
Minimum.
Yeah, it looks bad. But yeah, need to get this bolt back on. Hi guys, so it got a little bit darker outside, you know, so we stopped filming for a minute. We just after finish up the oil change and the coolant in the car. Everything is done. The car sounds nice and sweet, you know, and Evan's gonna take you around to show you what's done.
So the filter's in. New filter is down there somewhere. Hard to show on camera. I'll do my best. There it is there. And we cleaned up and everything's done.